one piece, the whole underlay, everything.
Yeah, these are not faded. It's supposed to be black.
What's the time? Of course it is. 6:30 a.m.
I'm on the door. Brad.
Look, it looks so good on those wheels. That's a nice Evo. Like, damn, that's the cleanest I've ever seen you. Go dead straight and I'll tell you when to hook it. Yeah. Yeah, you'll make it. Oh, fucking hell. Already states, so you know. We are headed to Black Label. So we've got a whole group of cars meet up at work here. There's about, I'm going to say, 25 cars. And we are all headed as a group to Black Label. See you guys there. Just a pre-warning, there's 99% chance that this video is going to cut short somewhere because my battery's going to die. And I realised the goddamn cigarette lighter doesn't work in this car, so I can't charge the battery, so sorry guys if it gets cut short. How good is the engine looking back?
Huh? The engine? Yeah. It's awesome. Just need something. Watch out because that might hit the floor and tip backwards. Wouldn't it? Just doing a quick engine, live engine swap. Yeah, we're going to do a live engine build. Yeah, just got to sit on that side.
So here we are. Believe it or not, my car shit a fuel pump. We had to push it in. So I'm hoping someone will bring me a pump today and we'll do it here while the car's on display right there. And hopefully get home. And there was a crash in our group. But I'm walking over to see this E30 M3. Wow. So this is our setup. We got 15 cars here, and this is our group booth with the lab next door to us. Wheels, merch, cars, an engine, etc. Poor Cefiro.
That's why I'm trying to finish everything quick. How long? That's why I'm telling because I come up with the idea, but I make him do it. I don't enforce it.
If this or that doesn't win best engine bay, this joint's rigged.
Where is my radiator cap? Yeah, I gotta keep it.
It's a bit rough.
It's crazy.
I dig it.
Maybe not this one, but it's still working.
Really digging that yellow. Wow.
Actually, those wheels look quite good on that too.
They do. God damn, that looks good.
Hey, what do you think of this, Chris? Because I was thinking of doing this to mine because my headlights are broke.
Look at this. The seat is like more than half the car.
Could you imagine if you were in an accident with this thing?
Oh, you'd
See
be
you
dead.
later.
That's sick. That is very cool. Yeah,
Wow, look at that thing. It looks like that cartoon.
Wally?
Wally.
He's obviously...
So the car is getting scanned, 3D scanned for that torque drift game. I'm assuming because they don't have a Cefiro in it. So this is pretty cool. 22B. David Trent. Oh, this is the one I've seen, so I remember the guy.
Oh, really? This is a sick car.
But he's fucking up there.
Yeah, so this is us was on that Facebook day.
This is sick.
That's a big ass. Big ass.
The white body is sick on it.
That is sick.
They look like they.
Dig this. It's perfect.
This would be a nice, like, take your kids out cruising, go to the shows. This, yeah.
Got a lot of work.
You're really great out of those clamps. I like that catch can.
Yeah, that's
I love a T-top. That's sick. Dude, owner's manual.
finger pointer.
Hey, did you see the stereo?
The stock?
Stop.
Oh, it's tough.
Chris loves cars that are old with stock stereos.
Stock stereo.
A lot of people do.
Everything's stock.
Oh, bro.
How come that's like a factory? Nah, no way.
It's too new. Like, how good's the back of these things?
They're very unusual. Jay Duca's got one. You see in the back of his on his YouTube channel.
This is possibly the coolest car here. Super clean 32 4-door.
I'll probably wrap yours around using pipe, cut a big piece of pipe. God's rocker covers. PRP copy.
We're finally making our way out. It is over. My car is driving. Turned out it was only a fuse. We actually got a pump, went to change it and thought, oh, we'll check the fuse. It was a fuse, so I've got a whole packet of fuses here just in case.
Drive safe,
See you,
mate.
mate.
Thank you.
So we'll see what happens. It has been such a long day. 6:30 I left home. It is now 6 p.m. 12 hours pretty much we've been doing this shit. I'm wrecked. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the Black Label stuff. There's not much. I didn't want to film too much. I just wanted to sort of enjoy the day. I do have to say it was such a cool feeling driving with a big pack of cars like that, because it's been so long since I've gone on like a sort of cruise like that with anyone. So that was really good to drive with a big bunch of cool cars like that. So anyway, hopefully this makes it home. See you guys.